How to mask the beads for this bracelet, how to finish the code, everything will be explained clearly step by step. The short line is on the left, the long line is on the right, fix in the middle. Tie a lax hat knot with a long cord on the left cord. Isn't it very simple? Hurry up and start weaving. Tie about 6 knots on the side. Similarly, tie about 6 knots on the side first. The number of locks hat knots should be enough to pass through the bead after being folded in half. Use the outer 2 cords to warp around the middle 2 cords and tie to snake knots. After tying, pull the 2 axis line to tighten the gap at the joint. Thread beads onto the middle 2 cords. Thread beads onto the left 2 cords. Thread beads onto the right 2 cords. Finally, thread one more bead and tie a snake knot to secure it.